Russian missiles badly damaged a historic Orthodox cathedral in the southern Ukrainian port city of Odesa, sparking outrage and prompting President Zelensky to vow retaliation. The strikes killed at least one person and injured several others, Ukrainian officials said, the latest in a wave of attacks on Odesa. The attacks also destroyed other historic buildings, Ukraine's culture ministry said. The Transfiguration Cathedral is Odesa's largest church building. It was consecrated in 1809, destroyed during the Soviet era in 1936 before being rebuilt when Ukraine became an independent nation. The cathedral lies in Odesa's city center, which UNESCO named a World Heritage Site amid the threat of Russia's invasion. Video showed the inside of the cathedral strewn with debris. Ukrainian officials said the icon of the patroness of the city had been retrieved from under the rubble. Odesa is a key cultural center and has long links with Russia. It was founded under Catherine the Great and was once Russia's second most important port. Church personnel inspect damages inside the Odesa Transfiguration Cathedral.